I am a learner of English and I am trying to learn regularly or trying to improve myself day by day. As usual, you know everyone, myself Roni Kar, and I am always trying to speak English and try to help also people. English content can also help your audience and your subscriber. It doesn't matter how much people are following you. It's matter of that you are trying yourself to do something in your life. So right now, if I describe myself, I am standing in a field, and if I rotate myself, you can get a very natural vibes around me, and I loves to come here always. I used to come also regularly there, but nowadays I am quite busy. That's why I can't come here. This is the natural vibes behind of me, and this place is so nice and so beautiful, so mesmerizing. If you want to speak in English, so what you have to do? Today I will talk like this type of things. How can you will be also improve yourself? You have to follow some people who are making this type of content, this type of English videos, and you can get a lots of people on our social media. Right now, without social media, we can't spend our life, we can't spend our leisure time. So when you will be get leisure time, try to always follow those people who are making this type of videos and this type of teacher. And I am also always try to keep my time on this way. So this is the exact things right now. People are trying to do different things in their life, and one sort of these things is so much significant for people. I am also one of them. So first of all, when I wake up in the morning, I always try to listening some English languages video. It can be podcast, it can be news, it can be any type of movies, music, or also some funny things. It depends on what type of things actually you like to watch or you like to listen. After watching some videos, I can make a lots of English sentences. I can make conversation with people all over the world. And you know, my dear friend, if you want to improve or if you develop your career, you have to know about English. When you will be fluent in English or you can communicate with people, you can also do something in your life very easily. After listening, after reading, or after making conversation with people, people will be justify you. Certainly you are different from others. That's why you can get some others or some extra value from people. And valuable people, always people give them value who know some different from others people. So this is the exact thing what happening with us right now. So this is the things, and if you watch my channel, you can also get always this type of videos. I always try to improve myself. That's why I pick up quite subject which can make me fluent more and more. So if you want to do something in your life, try to learn English. And if you are a student, this is the high time in your life. You can spend your time to behind of English, and after quite month you will be justify yourself, you improving day by day, and it will be helps to um, build your mindset very strongly. So this is the exact thing what happened with us. And if I going anywhere in our area, I always try to make this type of videos so that people can also enjoy the nature and they can also watch my videos.